Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel and we're going to be going over our weekly output for the week, all the trades that we're going to be looking into this week. Um, do well to like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as always, let's go into some of the trades I took last week and what happened. Um, I called a trade on Euro NZD. I said I was in a Euro NZD short last week. Let me look for Euro NZD. I can't seem to find it. Okay, I've seen it. Okay. So I called Euro NZD short last week, and you can see here. And I was short here, and my take profit was all the way down here. So let me just give you guys the premise of how why I took this trade in the first place. I think I explained this on last week's outlook, but let me just touch on it a little bit. Euro NZD was in an overall downtrend on the daily, on the weekly, and on the 4 hour time frame. He has come here and given us a double top, one top, second top, close below candle. This candlestick pattern I covered in my beginner series. If you go and you look at, you see the chapter where I talk about candlesticks confirmations. Okay, and this was the reason why I got involved with this trade. And I said I first of all got in one position here, had my stop loss at the same place, but the market, when the market pushed up here, spread took me out. So on, I think it was on Friday, yeah, when this market pushed back into this region, I entered the sell over here, took my stop loss at the same region for 40 pips, and my take profit 1 to 3. So this trade hit my take profits quite easily. So that was a very good trade. I took a loss on Euro USD, and um the news basically just, you know, spiked the markets away from my spiked the market all the way to my stop loss. Because if you look at this pair on the 4 hour, on the daily time frame, it was in a clear uptrend. And I'll show you guys the entry confirmation over here. But if you look here, you see, let me mark it off: low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and even putting a higher high over here. And when it came into this region, I went over to the 4 hour to look for my entry confirmations. On the 4 hour time frame, if you look here, before this big spike down, you see the market pushed up, came down, gave me a double bottom here, a close above. I got in here, stop loss below, target above. The market was moving in my favor. Like I was feeling pretty good about this trade going into the news. But when the news came, it just came with so much momentum to the downside and it took me out. But that's okay. So enough of speaking about the previous trades. Let's go into the trades that we have for this week. So the first pair on my list is NZD card. My Wi-Fi seems to be pretty messy today, and I'm not exactly sure why. But NZD card is bullish. It has been bullish. It's bullish on the weekly time frame. It's bullish on the daily time frame, and now it has broken above this strong resistance, cleared this level completely, and it has come back here into this area of value. So this week, I'm going to be waiting for candlestick confirmations over here to take this market long on the lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, to ride to continue this uptrend. But NZD card, I'm long on NZD card. Euro card, same story. The NZD card and Euro card are looking very similar at the moment. You look here on this time frame, you can see we had this form of left head, right shoulder. The market broke above, retested this level and it has broken above these new highs and is currently retesting this level. So on the lower time frames, I'm going to be looking for my entry confirmations to continue this trend to the upside. I'm bullish on Euro card as well. NZD CHF. I'm bullish on NZD CHF, but this would not be my favorite pair if I'm being completely honest. I'm bullish on this pair because of this strong support level that the market has taken out and have not resisted and has not revisited for a long time. And we seem to be doing that right now. But on the weekly time frame, we seem to have broken out of this range. There was a big, this market has been in a messy range for a long time. We have broken out and we are currently retesting this resistance level, and we are hoping that this level will be used as support to push the market to the upside. So I'm bullish on this pair. I'm going to be waiting for confirmations to buy this market to the upside. Next pair on my list is Euro NZD. Now, Euro NZD has pulled back pretty aggressively, and the market is still in a bearish structure, and it has come back into my area of value. But I'm not going to be quick to jump into this trade. Why? Because of the momentum of this pullback. This one candle cancelled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or about 4 days of price action, and this one candle cancelled it um in just 1 day. So I'm going to be cautious and monitoring Euro NZD quite closely to make sure I'll wait for confirmation showing me that the market wants to stay here and turn here into a strong resistance before selling to the downside. So I'm bearish on Euro NZD. But in the event that this market continues this bullish push by Monday, I'm just going to be taking this pair off my watch list for now. But for the time being, based off market structure, I'm still bearish on Euro NZD. The next pair on my list is GBP NZD. And GBP NZD literally has a similar story to the Euro NZD. I was speaking on GBP NZD as well, but I was only able to capture a move on Euro NZD. But is doing exactly the same thing that Euro NZD is doing. The rebound from Friday covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of price action. So if I'm going to be taking any position here on this pair, I'm going to be very cautious to watch and see that this market really wants to turn this level into a resistance before selling to the downside. But at the moment, I'm still bearish on GBP NZD until the market takes out this high. The market breaks and close above here, then my bias change and I'll be looking for the market to pull back here and go long to the upside. So this pair is really in a 50-50 position. Either of the two opportunities could present itself, but I'll be watching this pair closely to see which of them I can take advantage of. Next pair on my list is AUD NZD. Now AUD NZD, I highlighted last week that I was bearish on AUD NZD, and I was expecting that this market would pull into this level to short, but it didn't do that. It just pulled back a bit and broke all the way to the downside. So this week I'm still expecting the same thing. We have a support here that this market has created. Before making this low, I'm expecting the market to pull back into this um, support level, which it could possibly turn to resistance and push off from this level. So I'm bearish on AUD and ZD. USD CHF. I'm bearish on USD CHF, even though the dollar seemed to have, taken a very strong turn on the base of the Friday news. The USD CHF has broken out of the bullish structure. This is a low high, higher low, higher high, equal low. lower high and has made a lower low. So from this standpoint, it's looking like it also made a left head and right shoulder and is pulling back into this level. So I'm going to be watching this level closely to see if the market give me the right rejections at this level. I'm going to be looking to take shots to the downside. But if this market can come and take out this level, I'm going to be taking this pair off my watch list, because for me to be bullish on this pair, I'm going to need this market to push up and break above these highs to be bullish on this pair. So I'm more bearish on the USD CHF than bullish. Next pair on my list is NZD USD. Now NZD USD is also one of the pairs that's also at a 50-50 level, because this is the higher low point of this market, and now this is the higher high. For me to be bearish on this pair has to come and take out this low and retest here for me to be bearish on this pair. Until this low is taken out, this pair is still in an uptrend. Why? Because this was a high, low, lower low, higher low, higher high. So this is a bullish trend over here, and I will need the bullish trend to be violated before I start looking for bearish opportunities. With the news of last week and the kind of strong close the market gave last week, one could easily anticipate more bearish movement, but I'm not going to be taking action based off that anticipation. I'm going to be waiting for this market to first of all clear this low, then retest before looking for downsides on the NZD USD. So I'm 50-50 on this pair. The market could come here and reject for buys, because since once it has not closing below this low, there's still opportunity that it could go long. But if the market should come inside next week and close below this level, then we are sure that we're going to be riding sales all the way to the downside. So it's 50-50, but I'm favoring more of the sales at this moment because of the strong momentum to the downside. But I'm not going to be taking any action until the market shows me what it wants to do. GBP card. Okay, I have just a few pairs here. GBP card is bullish. It's like from this chart you can easily see it. I believe even if I don't tell you guys what I'm looking for, you can easily see it. The pair is very bullish. It has been in this sort of range for a long time. It broke out, we tested this level, and it has pushed back up. Right now, I'm anticipating the market pulls back into this level, gives us a rejection, so we can join the trend to the upside for bullish on GBP card. CHF JPY is one pair that I have not spoken about in a long time, because the market was in this kind of like dirty range that I really was not interested in. But right now, the market has broken out of this level, and I've highlighted this level, this previous resistance, for opportunity to for the market to come and use it as support to go to continue the uptrend to the upside. So I'm long on the CHF JPY, that's the Swiss franc JPY, but I'll be waiting for the market to pull back into this area of value before looking for positions on the pair. And I think this will be my last pair on the list, and it's just brewing up. I don't think this market is going to be ready next week. But hey, um, let's still break it down. The market was bearish, low and high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this market has pushed up, high, low, high, higher low, and it has broken and closed above this lower high. So I'm currently bullish on this pair, but I would want to see one of two things. Either the market pushes up a bit more before retesting and rejecting, or this market would come back into this level and give me rejections at this support level to look for longs to the upside. Either way, I'm bullish on the GBP AUD. Let me quickly look into the indices pairs I spoke about last week, so we can discuss some of what happened. I spoke. I said clearly that I was bullish on the indices SPX and NAS 100, and I wasn't interested in the US 30, and that is still the case today. The market came back into this level like I anticipated. The market gave us rejections. And let me go over to the 4 hour to show you guys what an entry would have looked like on this pair. If you come over to the 4 hour, you can see that the market came here, pushed up, gave us a clean double bottom, and it closed above candle. This I put this drawing tool here at after this close above candle. Like I said, I do not trade the indices market. I just analyze it based off people who have requested for me to look into the indices market. So this would have been a very clear setup that you could have taken, and you can see, as you can see, the market smashed the take profits over here for a 1 to 3. um so what's next for the SPS 500? I'm still bullish on the pair. Let's go over to the daily time frame. I'm still bullish on the SPS 500, but right now I would need for the market to either break above higher and come back to retest this level to look for buys to the upside, or the market should pull back into this level to look for buys off this level again to the upside. So I'm still bullish on SPX 500, but I'm going to be waiting for the market to pull into an area of value, into a clear area of value before I will start looking for any potential opportunities. Now let's look at the Nasdaq. I also spoke about the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq pulled into this resistance zone support and rejected it perfectly. On my end, I would not have been able to get an entry because the rejection was very rapid. Um, if you look here, the market rejected this level, and this double bottom was formed not on the support, so I would have left this pair. I would not have taken this trade, but the concept is still the same. The market is bullish. We're looking for bullish opportunities, so the same concept still goes into this week. I'll either be waiting for the market to pull back into this level of support which it's previously rejected, or I'll be waiting to see if the market can break higher above this level and come back to use this previous resistance as support to continue the bullish move to the upside. Next pair on my list is oil, the US oil. Now I'm bearish on this pair. This is a very clean pair, lower highs and lower lows, and the market has taken out this lower low, this support level here, and is currently pulling back into this level. So there will be potential opportunities here for a rejection to continue the trend to the downside, and that's what I'm going to be looking at for the US oil. So it's a very clean pair. It's bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly time frame. So on the lower time frame, we're going to wait for the market to here to see if we can have rejections to short the market to the downside. Like I said last week, I'm not interested in the US 30. It's not looking as clean as the rest. So let's just go over to the Bitcoin charts. I've been speaking about Bitcoin for a while. I've been doing my analysis on Bitcoin for some time now, and I said I'm expecting Bitcoin to get back to the 72,686 level if Bitcoin broke and held above this level. Now Bitcoin did break and hold above this level. It did break, but I wouldn't say it held, because I don't know if it was the news, but maybe it was the news that was the catalyst, because Bitcoin broke above, came here, held as support, and even made a push back to the previous high. But I think the NFP news just came out, with dollar strength, and this pushed the Bitcoin prices back below this support. So what would I be waiting for now? Either the market should pull back into this level of support to look to see if there are going to be opportunities, or the market will break back above this level, we test it and hold this support this time. But I'm still eyeballing the 72686 level as a prime target for the Bitcoin chart. If the market fails to break back above this level, then we're going to be seeing Bitcoin back at the 68,139 level. So this is all the pairs we're going to be looking into this week. Um, um, I'm sorry I've not been posting as much videos as I've been used to. I've been quite busy for doing one or two things, but I'm going to try to put out more videos, maybe this week or next. As I'll create more time to put out more videos and try to educate you guys more. Yeah, do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Share this video with your friends, your trader friends, and family, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.